In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam username login. Before we start, a quick heads up on Steam, your account login name can't be changed, but your profile name, the one your friends and the community see, can be updated at any time. That's exactly what we're doing here. First, open the Steam client on your computer, or launch the Steam app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in with your current credentials so you can reach your profile settings. If you're on PC, you'll see your current profile name at the top right of the Steam window. On mobile, look for your profile picture or name near the top of the app. Go ahead and select that. Next, choose View Profile. This takes you to your public profile page, where you can manage how your name and other details appear to other users. On this page, find and click the Edit Profile button. On desktop, it's usually on the right side of the screen. On mobile, it appears near the top of your profile details. Inside the Edit area, look for the section labeled Profile Name, sometimes listed under General. This is the display name that shows up in your friends list, chat, and community posts. Click into that field, delete your existing name, and type the new one you want to use. Steam profile names aren't unique, so you don't need to worry about availability, but it's still a good idea to pick something recognizable to your friends. Avoid sharing personal information in your name, and remember that community guidelines apply. Names that violate the rules can be restricted. Once you've entered your new name, scroll down and click Save Changes. On mobile, you may see a save or checkmark option. Tap that to confirm. Your profile name updates instantly, and you should see it reflected at the top of your profile right away. Friends and community members will now see the new name, though in some cases it might take a moment to refresh in chat or the friends list. If it doesn't appear right away, try refreshing your profile page or briefly restarting the app. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.